The bump test is a procedure that confirms a detector's ability to respond to target gases by exposing the detector to gas concentrations that exceed its alarm set points. Bump test only in a normal environment that is 20.9% O2 and free of hazardous gas. Do not operate the docking module in a hazardous area. Failure to adhere to this guideline can result in possible personal injury and/or property damage. Before you begin, ensure that the detector is activated and not in a low battery state. Using Fleet Manager 2 software, you can configure your IntelliDoX to automatically configure your monitor, update settings, and bump test when it recognizes a detector. You can also configure your IntelliDoX to perform a fast bump, an accelerated test procedure that bypasses any scheduled configuration updates. Bump tests can also be initiated manually through the IntelliDoX. When a detector is inserted, identified, and automatic updates are applied, the IntelliDoX detector menu is displayed. Use the arrow keys on the keypad to move to Bump Test My Detector on the IntelliDoX user menu. Press the green check button to select Bump Test. The LCD screen background changes to yellow and displays bump test progress screens. When the bump test is successful, the LCD screen background changes to green and displays Bump Test Passed. Alarm response and sensor response test items are marked with a check. If the bump test fails, the LCD screen background changes to red and displays Bump Test Failed. Failed alarm response and/or sensor response test items are marked with an X.